Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Taurus, it's sign. This is July bi-weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. Guys, this is general. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. Taurus, let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Taurus, what are the messages for you and what's going on? Taurus. Lot of cards, that's why I'm not taking. What's going? Taurus. Heavy energy in past. Very, very heavy energy. Under the deck, Strength, Knight of Cups, Tower, and Two of Cups. Yeah, there is mutual love between you and your person, but things were not going well between you and your person. That's why the separation had happened. Maybe you walked away or they walked away. According to me, you walked away. And yeah, it is a tower moment for you. But for some, maybe your past person is coming back. For some, a brand new person is coming to offer their cup of love to you, and this person have romantic feelings for you and the strength, but you are concentrating on your inner strength, on your inner self. You want to be independent emotionally. You don't want to depend on anyone, especially emotionally. So let's see your reading. Recent past, and the person involved in this connection could be Leo, especially. Recent past, 8 of Cups, 6 of Swords, and 8 of Swords. So you're feeling stuck and you don't know which decision you have to make or take, but you don't like this energy anymore because there is no clarity in this relationship at all. So that's why you decided to walk away. Lots of you are walked away. For some, you will made a decision. I think lots of you did it already. You walked away. You want to move towards calm water. And the present, Magician, Knight of Pentacles, and King of Swords. So you will manifest whatever you want. Definitely you are in manifesting energy. I think someone is coming to offer their love. For some, it could be a brand new person. I am saying you have multiple options here. At the same time, you are setting boundaries to people, especially with your person. You are setting boundaries to your person, and you are very straightforward in nature, Taurus. Then future, 10 of Pentacles, 2 of Swords, and 5 of Swords. Lot of arguments, lot of disturbances between you and your person in future also. Maybe if it is your person, definitely there will be some arguments in your relationship. Maybe for some in work area, there are some disturbances. But there is some financial stability. Your money is very good, but in relationship wise, lot of issues are going. And the person involved here, lot of air energy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, then Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, then Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So Taurus, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Queen of Wands, 3 of Swords, King of Wands, and King of Pentacles. So see, you both have a lot of passion towards each other, and you both have ego problems also, and right now they're missing you. Definitely because you walked away, they are missing you now. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. Lot of attraction, they're very, very attracted to you. For some, your person is always in and out of your life. There is no clarity. They will come when they want and they will go when they want. Again, 8 of Wands. Definitely, they're very, very attracted to you. They started listening to their intuition, trusting their intuition. Maybe they're trying to manifest you back again into their life. And Knight of Swords. So they want to communicate with you. They are rushing to communicate with you. You will receive some text or message from your person and they're thinking about to communicate. Right now they're feeling stuck. They're thinking about this relationship a lot. Yeah, it was ended between, it was one type of ending between you and your person, but they want rebirth in this connection. Yes, your person right now undergoing some transformation. Taurus, they want rebirth. They want to communicate with you. So let's see their intentions. I think you both are spiritually connected. Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius or Gemini or Virgo, especially. I think lots of you have a lot of age differences between you and your person, or the person involved in this connection could be Pisces. So here, patience is the key. Maybe your person patiently waiting for right time, or they're patiently waiting for opportunity. In these recent times, they're being patient, but they do love you. Yes, definitely you will receive text or communication from your person end. Maybe for some they're manifesting you. There is communication is coming. So let's put some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. So they are coming back with an apology. So they will text you or they will call you. For some they will say apology. For some they will randomly message you. So really they want to offer commitment, marriage, and they want to offer equal give and take. In past maybe they are juggling, but now they're getting clarity what they want and what they don't want. Maybe there are some trust issues between and you. I think still you are also waiting on them. Maybe you are manifesting energetically and judgment. I think you are going to be make some major decision and you will be in this energy going with the flow, living in the present moment, and you will be independent. Your money is very very good, Taurus. Maybe you are waiting on them, you still want brand new beginnings with them. So let's see mutual energies. Okay. King of Wands. Strength. I want clarification card for King of Wands, Three of Cups, and Four of Swords. Right now, lots of you are in no contact situation, but you both are thinking about each other a lot. Yeah, you both want rebirth in this connection, thinking about each other a lot. Yes, lot of thinking is going. Yeah, I think you both are right now focusing on yourself, on your inner strength, but you both want reconciliation. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. For some, your person is immature. Reunion is coming. Wow. I'm crazy about you. And age difference. Yeah, lots of you are in. I have a lot of age differences and mask. So the messages are reunion is coming. I'm crazy about you. Age difference and mask. Maybe your person not expressing their true feelings to you. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Taurus. Surrender to the divine full moon. So if you're not getting answers for your questions or solutions for your problems, just surrender your problems to the divine, especially when full moon. Yeah, don't. And another message. Meditate and contemplate new moon in Pisces energy. So definitely you have to meditate if you have a lot of issues, especially mentally. So if you are doing meditation, or if you do meditation, you will feel better eventually. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonate to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.